Bulletin. Now, the COVID-19 cases continue to surge nationwide, with the total number of active cases now reaching at 1200 mark from 1100 yesterday, with over 800 new cases reported within just a week's time. While doctors continue to assure that the cases are mild and there is no cause of worry, but the states have issued guidelines asking people to take the necessary precautions against the transmission of COVID-19 cases. Arzu Seth is joining me with more details. Arzu, COVID cases continue to be on a surge. The number of cases reported in a week have also seen a huge spike in the national capital as the health centers and the hospitals prepare for dealing with the spike and the overload on the health infrastructure. What are the arrangements being made ahead of this big spike?
India is witnessing a rapid surge in the COVID-19 cases, with the total active cases reaching to 1,251. In fact, in this Kerala leads with the highest number of active cases with the 430, and also followed by Maharashtra with the 325 cases. So if you see, the Karnataka, Delhi, all the states in fact have seen the surge in the COVID-19 cases. And if we talk about the casualties, the country has seen 13 deaths due to COVID. But what the expert has to say, this might be due to the any past disease, not only the effect of COVID. So yes, there is no need to panic. This is what the expert has to say. And amid the rising rising COVID-19 cases, the state government has intensifying precautions and urging the public to avoid the big gathering in case of if you feel any sickness, or the health authorities emphasize the importance to continue safety measures to prevent further spread. In fact, if we talk about the state government, also the Karnataka health minister has urged the public to remain calm while emphasizing the importance of continued precautions to stop the further spread. And also direction has been given to the officials to remain vigilant and also fully prepared for any escalation or surge, stretching the need for special protection for high risk group like elderly people, pregnant women, and especially children. So all these guidelines have been issued to the hospitals, and health experts urges the people to take precautions and not to panic, stressing that the virus is now endemic and also could be managed with the rational testing, timely care, and also continued protection of vulnerable group. And it is also being said that taking precautions is the most important thing, and also to take care of yourself. If we talk about the national capital, also here also the advisory have been issued. Delhi Health Minister Pankaj Singh has in fact told that everything is normal in Delhi. If we talk about the current active cases, it's around 104, and also he said that new variant has only shown symptoms of the viral fever so far, and urged the people not to panic. And he said that the government has sent health advisories to all the government hospitals, and also asked them to fully prepare for any
Well, all right, Arzu, thank you very much